Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download offline maps in Google Maps. So if you are a iPhone user, so make sure you will just download the Google Map app from the App Store, or you are already Android user, so you will just get it this Google Map and simply just tap on it as well. And now how to get download offline maps, simply just move the top right corner is the option is profile simply, and you will see the fifth option is offline maps. Simply just tap on it as well, and from here you will be just selected your own map. Just tap on it as well, and you will be just selected the area or country, whatever you want to just uh, select it. And you will just also take up to 35 MB of your free space. So simply just selected the area or country city, just tap on it for the download option, and in this way you will just have to download offline maps in Google Maps easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.